Welcome back to Ken's Quizzes. In this video, you will learn about international borders of India, facts of India, and trick to memorize all states. International borders of India. India has 7 plus 2 international borders, 7 land borders and 2 maritime borders. 7 international land borders first. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. 2 international maritime borders. Sri Lanka, Maldives, facts of India. How many states are in India? 28. Which is the largest state of India by area? Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state of India by area? Goa. Which is the most populous state of India? Uttar Pradesh. Which is the least populous state of India? Sikkim. Which is the latest state of India? Telangana. When was Telangana declared as a state? June 2, 2014. How many union territories are in India? 8. Which is the most populous union territory of India? National Capital Territory of Delhi. Which is the smallest union territory of India area-wise? Lakshadweep. Which is the latest union territory of India? Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. When did Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu were joined to form one single union territory? 26 January 2020. Which is the least populous union territory of India? Lakshadweep. Which is the largest union territory of India area-wise? Before applying trick, let's quickly observe the map of India. So finally, here is your trick to memorize all states. Imagine these states as pool with Hari Dandi. A Raja has that pool in one hand. Raja has golden gajar in the other hand. A maid panda has attacked Raja to get the pool. Now Raja has become nervous. Taking advantage of it, a Maharaja has stolen the golden gajar. The Maharaja took the golden gajar and hid inside triangle. Inside triangle, he started listening to beautiful sound. An andha person was playing sitar. Seeing his skill, Maharaja was shocked. Maharaja thought, he's not andha, he's doing natak. Maharaja realized that andha person could steal his golden gajar. Therefore, Maharaja went outside the triangle and went to Goa near Big W. Maharaja started digging land in Goa under Big W. He buried the golden gajar. He used a lot of energy in digging, so he became very hungry. To get energy, he fried a karela in tel and ate it. Now see the magic. Pool with Hari Dandi. P means Punjab, H means Himachal Pradesh, U means Uttarakhand, and Hari Dandi means Haryana. Raja means Rajasthan. Gajar means Gujarat. Maid Panda means Madhya Pradesh. Maharaja means Maharashtra. Triangle means Telangana. Andha person means Andhra Pradesh. Natak means Karnataka. Big W means Goa. Karela means Kerala. Tail means Tamil Nadu. Imagine this shape as flying elephant. It always utar its pilot. Imagine this shape as a seahorse. The nose of a horse is made of chhatri. Now imagine Jetha sitting on its head. Jetha has lifted a bhari stone. If bhari stone is dropped, the bowl dish would break. Imagine this shape as a kangaroo. The kangaroo has bangan in its pouch. Besides bangan, it also has a golden sikka on its head. Imagine this shape as Sandeep Maheshwari. He has stretched his hands and saying Asan hai. Sandeep is wearing a mehengi ghadi. He is just wearing one moza. He is climbing on a tree. When he climbed, he saw Aruna Irani. Aruna Irani has human face, but her body is made of nag. She is protecting a money because Sandeep wants that money. Now see the magic. Uttar its pilot means Uttar Pradesh. Chhatri means Chhattisgarh. Jetha means Jharkhand. Bhari means Bihar. Dish means Odisha. Bengan means West Bengal. Sikka means Sikkim. Asan means Assam. Mehengi means Meghalaya. Tree means Tripura. Moza means Mizoram. Aruna means Arunachal Pradesh. Nag means Nagaland. Mani means Manipur. Write your score in the comment box. Subscribe for more educational videos like this.